motorbike I've got. Oh, wow! Yes, it's new. Cool! And I have a car. It's red. Follow me. Come over here, Richard. Have you ever been up there? Let's have a look. Now I just need to put down the stand. And I've parked my car. Done. We can go now. I'm first. Let's go together. Oh, this is plasticine. It's yellow, like the wheels of my motorbike. And this is red, like my car. I've got an idea. I will make a motorbike. And I'll make a car. The wheels will be green. Look, George. Does it look like my car? Yes, like the real one. And look! I made a motorbike! Very cool! Richard, I will give you this motorbike and I will give you the car! Thank you! And now, will you let me ride in your big car? Of course! And can I ride your motorbike? Richard, don't forget to take off the stand. Let's go! Forward! That was so much fun. We played with the plasticine and then we went for a ride. We're true friends. Peppa, look! These are sand molds. Let's go! Peppa, there are so many! Even a dinosaur! They're so pretty, I don't even know which one to pick.
Dear, I see the kids.
Great! Let's sit nearby. going to pretend play like I'm at the sea. I need sea-themed moulds. A seashell. It will do. A flower. No, it won't do. A seahorse. We'll take it. A plane? No, it won't do. A fish? We'll take it! I'm going to pretend play like I'm in an orchard. I need molds of fruit. Grapes. It will do. This is a bee. It won't do. A pineapple. It'll work. A dog. Won't do. Cherries. We'll take it. George! Look how pretty my fruit is!
Kids, come eat!
George, we have to go eat. Let's go. I wonder what tasty food we're going to eat today.
Kids, have some hot dogs.
Thanks, Mum. Thanks. Kids, what about tea? We'll have it later. George, let's make something with sand moulds for Mummy and Daddy. Great idea! Let's do it. I will make a car for Daddy. Daddy likes cars. And I will make this pretty flower for Mummy. Daddy, look! We made these for you. Dinosaurs!